Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. What's for dinner? Don't you hate hearing those words night after night? I know I sure do, but don't worry, Pampered Chef has you covered with our meal mixes. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you our pad thai. This is a quick and easy, flavorful meal. What I like about this recipe is it doesn't call for very many ingredients, so that makes it super simple to make. All you need is some chicken, a bell pepper, some rice noodles, or you could probably do rice, soy sauce, obviously the mix, and then for your toppings, I like to use some green onion, a lime, and then peanuts. Now this recipe is actually, or the meal mix is actually peanut free and gluten free, but as you know in pad thai it does have peanuts, so you can add those if you don't, if you choose to do so. So we like the peanuts in ours, so I'll be adding those. So to get started, I already have about a pound of chicken that I thinly sliced, and I just have it in the bowl with a little salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slice up some red bell pepper with my simple slicer. And you'll see how quick and easy the simple slicer is to use. Okay. So this is an ingredient that actually is not even listed to cook. It's listed as a topping, but we like ours to cook along with the chicken. So the recipe is very forgiving. You can do it however you have, whatever your fancy is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna do all the pepper, but heck, I might as well, right? And this recipe, believe it or not, you guys, doesn't have any onions. It's a first for me, not cutting up onions. All right. Next, I want to get the sauce going. So in my 2-cup prep bowl, I'm gonna add the pad thai mix. Now I do have a video of our scampi, which I'll put in the description. And I also have a video of our Tuscan herb chicken, which my family loved, and that's a sheet pan meal. So I'll put that down in the description as well. Next, I need to add 3 ounces of water and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. I love this little mini easy read measuring cup. You see how cute it is? Okay, that was 4, and I need 5. One more. There we go. And I'm just gonna use our little mini whipper right here. It's a little small whisk just to whisk all this around. And then I'm gonna set it aside. The sauce is ready. Now, one thing I am going to be adding is the peanuts. So that is, of course, optional. And I'm just going to use our good old-fashioned food chopper to chop up some to cook in with it when I add the sauce, and then also to use as a topping or a garnish. If you had peanut butter, you could probably mix in a little bit of peanut butter as well. We like the crunch that the peanuts bring. All right, now it's time to start cooking. I decided to use my stainless steel non-stick wok, but you can use any large skillet, will do just fine. And I also have my water on to boil so that I can cook my rice noodles. These rice noodles only take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook, so they're super fast. So in my skillet, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. And that's starting to heat up. And I'm gonna start cooking my red pepper. Here we go, hear that sizzle, yay! And the chicken. We're just going to let that cook together. It shouldn't take very long, but you do want your chicken cooked all the way through. If you're wondering about this over here, if you're not familiar with it, this is called a boil over no more lid. This is the smallest of our sizes. We do carry 2. Love this. So now my noodles will not be boiling. The water won't boil over. I use it for potatoes as well. I love it.
A few moments later.
Now that the chicken and the peppers are already cooked, when your chicken is sliced super thin, it doesn't take long to cook it. I'm now going to add the sauce. And I'm going to add those chopped peanuts. I'll chop some more for the garnish. And I will mix all that together. And we'll just let this cook until the sauce thickens, and then it will be time to add the rice noodles. That's it, my noodles are done cooking, so it's time to add them to the chicken. So what I'm going to do is grab my pasta tongs, love these. I'm just going to go ahead and add this straight to the chicken. There we go. I'm just going to keep this water here just in case I want to add a little bit more liquid to the chicken and the sauce. So I was going to keep it here. There we go. I'm just going to toss it all together. Ooh, it smells so yummy, you guys. Turn that off. All right. Did I drop one? No. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to loosen it up a little bit. And then I'm going to show you the finished product. That really is a quick and easy meal, you guys. If you are on the hunt for something new to try, I suggest our pad thai mix. All right, so I did cut up some green onion and some lime, and then chopped a few more peanuts in the food chopper. So let's go ahead and get a bowl ready, shall we? So we will. Oh, it looks good. Add some peppers. Here we go. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of the lime. some of the green onions, and a few peanuts. Oh my goodness, you guys, take a look at that. Does that not look absolutely beautiful? And to think it took probably, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most from start to finish. Can't go wrong with that, right? All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put those other recipes down below in the description. And you know the routine. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. And like I always say, happy cooking!